Risk mitigation is multifamily investing. While the real estate market is cooling off slightly, including the fact that mortgage applications are down 16% from a year ago, this is not necessarily bad news for real estate investors. This has kept home prices high, but it has made it increasingly difficult for people to buy homes. This in turn further increases the demand for multifamily housing and drives rent prices higher. But despite the turmoil that is happening in the market right now, there are many advantages of multifamily real estate compared to other types of assets. Historically, multifamily assets are considered recession resistant. Here's why. Demand is high, supply is low. A lack of housing supply, however, is a long-term issue. The lack of supply means that there are many more people who are trying to buy a home in America than there are homes for sale. Essentially, what this means is that many people will continue renting because they cannot afford to buy a house, or they don't want to get a mortgage right now because interest rates are too high. With multifamily real estate, the leases are frequently repriced. This means that you can adjust the rent prices as the market moves. Renewals increase during times of economic uncertainty. People tend to want to stay put. Considering the fact that they are already dealing with the higher prices for things like gasoline, food, and oil. Lower vacancy levels means higher cash flow. This also helps to drive the NOI, net operating income, of the property higher. Supply chain issues have nearly halted development. Costs for building materials are too high and supply chains are bottlenecked. This means that it is taking significantly longer to build single-family homes in new multifamily developments than it used to in the past. Because of this, it is going to be nearly impossible for supply to keep up with demand for the single-family housing market. So, what should real estate investors do? Strongly consider investing in multifamily property in order to avoid the risks of inflation, volatile stock market, and limitations of single-family investing. Don't let the fear of the unknown stop you from capitalizing on all of the tremendous benefits of multifamily real estate investing. Regardless of whether a recession is occurring or not, people will still need a place to live, and considering the fact that a major supply shortage is occurring in single-family homes, many people will continue to opt to rent.